This is China's oil painting hub. The foundational fathers of this Dafen village came from Hong Kong, and he came with a group of about 20 trainees who were also painters. They copied paintings like the Mona Lisa painting, the Van Gogh painting, and with time, more people grew to know them and more painters from all over China came down here and felt comfortable in this place. So they built a community of painters right down here. This is my teacher and she's doing great. If you want to see me paint and see what I paint, keep watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey Wilenials, this is Willen again. Welcome back to this channel. Today we are at the Dafen oil painting village. Well, you can see over here there's thousands, maybe hundreds of oil painting shops around here, and I'm gonna show you all of them. And maybe even get a painting of myself. You know, it looks amazing. You can see this is the very first store. All these are painted by hand. So here I am at the second store, and of course guys, you all see it looks amazing, amazing painting, and wow. Hey, hi. 你是？
我是这里的老板娘。
老板，你多少年在这里
19年。
19年？19
年。
真的19年？你这么厉害啊！
我来的时候，我儿子还在刚学走路，现在上大学了。
哦，真的很厉害。这里有很漂亮的。对。我再看这个颜色。
Van Gogh 的麦田.
Yeah, these ones are like the Van Gogh's kind of paintings. It looks exactly like the Van Gogh's paintings, and you know, any kind of painting that you want, you can definitely get them here. It doesn't matter the artists from the world, whether from Europe or from the US, you can definitely get all the kinds of paintings around here, and I'm loving it. 这个呢是什么名字？
这个莫奈的撑阳伞那个。
哦，莫奈。你一个人做的还是你和
我先生？
真的很漂亮，谢谢啊。Wow guys, this whole area looks like I'm in an art museum. So many people learning how to paint, so many art locations, really beautiful, and they paint everything. Anything you want, you can definitely get it here. Just look at that, just look at that. Now guys, are those not amazing? If you are a lover of art and you come to this village, you would definitely be confused. Just take a look. Right here, they teach kids how to paint, and they start from a young age. I think the parents bring them here so they can paint and, of course, upgrade their skills by the day, which is really amazing. Oh, that's Kobe. Someone painted that. Wow. Look at what they've done with the Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa and a minion joined together. So I'm trying to learn how to paint. I have no prior experience in painting, but I think I need to learn how to paint. It's fascinating, so I want to learn. I want to join the class for maybe about 30 minutes. I hope I'll be able to learn. Let's see how I do. 50?
Yeah.
Jelima?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna learn right here how to paint something. 我的中文不太好，怎么办？
我有会翻译的，给你拿个。
好的。Okay guys, so I'm gonna paint right here. And let's see how it goes. So, wish me luck guys. I don't know how the painting's gonna be, but then let's see how it goes.
很容易的，这个。
一个漂亮的 This one. So I think I'm gonna paint this one. It's so difficult. I can't even start. I need the artist's motivation to start. Let's see. Painting right here. And let's see how it goes. This. Okay. How's it going so far, guys? Keep watching. Oh, Charlie. Wow. Feels good. Now I feel like Van Gogh. I feel like a real artist doing this. What I learned is that about 60% of the world's art, of the world's oil paintings come from this village, from this location right here. And I also learned that In the past, they used to supply paintings to Walmart, to the USA, and to Europe, and all over the world. They can do copy painting, they can do original paintings. And by the way, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos like this from China. So if you want to see the outcome, guys, keep watching. And after this, we're gonna go to another location, and I'll show you more works of art around here. What up? 这里吗？
边线压的铅笔线好。
好的。So here we are, and I've got my painting right here, and I'm almost done. 老师，我的可以吗？Yes, so guys, I'm done with my painting, and here we are. So what do you guys think about my painting so far? And this is my classmate. 小同学加油，加油，加油！ And that's my classmate over there. Say hello. 他是我的同学。And we are learning how to draw. This is the original picture, and this is my painting. And I'm gonna give this painting to someone as a gift around here. I don't know who I'm gonna give it to, and let's see who I'll give it to. So if you wanna see who I'll give this painting to, keep watching. What song给一个人？对 so I'm gonna give this to someone. 我给谁？我给谁？好，我可以给你。
谢谢。
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to her, and
Thank you so much.
my painting, I'm presenting it to her as a souvenir from myself to her. That's for you.
Thank you so much. Last day. Yeah, this is my son.
Oh, your son?
Yeah.
Wow, very nice. Very
And
nice.
he's-
Wow, I think he's good.
Altman.
Wow.
All of
Yeah.
the kids love it.
So-
Thank you.
This is for you.
Okay.
It's my first time painting. I've never painted
Okay.
before. My souvenir for you.
Okay, maybe we can take pictures
Yeah,
together.
of course, we can. Yeah, we can, no problem.
Actually, my house just needs some painting. So
Oh,
that's
really?
why I have here.
Wow. Okay, thank you. You take care.
Okay, bye-bye.
谢谢老板，拜拜。
Okay, bye.
Goodbye. All right, guys. So that's it. We just got done with that part. One thing I learned about this village wilderness is that official policy states that for you to be able to do a replica of any painting, the artist must have died at least 50 years ago. So if you want to do any painting, you should make sure that the artist had died at least 50 years ago before you can paint that, because you can't paint someone's work when the person is still alive. That's the law that holds all the painters here, because of course they must have a union and they have ways that they work. I also learned that in 2019 alone, these stores right here, this village produced about $630 million annually, meaning they sold paintings all over the world worth about $630 million. I don't know if recently it's dropped or it's still the same, but then I think that's a lot of money. So millennials, as you guys can see, it's been an amazing walk in this village and I had fun. So if you want to see more amazing videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget, this is Willen. See you next time.